How to fix WWE 2K23 audio/sound not working issue on PC. 1. Exit then restart the game. 2. Check volume mixer and the audio device in your system. 3. Switch off Windows Spatial Sound. 4. Turn off, do not use, voice meter and Oculus audio. 5. Disable microphone, external and internal. 6. Set the sound sample rate to 48K/44K Hz. 7. Disconnect and re-add your controller. 8. Disable hands-free telephony in the Bluetooth properties. 9. Install and/or update both audio drivers and sound, visual, and game controllers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 10. Verify game files in Steam.